Hey everyone! Today I need to talk about a serious new threat that's lurking on one of the most popular social media platforms out there, TikTok. If you're a cybersecurity pro, this is something you need to know about. Trend Micro has identified a new wave of social engineering attacks that are taking advantage of TikTok's massive reach. You've probably heard of the ClickFix scams, right? Well, the bad actors have evolved, and now they're using TikTok videos to spread VDAR and StealC, two notorious information-stealing malware strains. Here's how the scam works. The attackers target users searching for pirated software activation or productivity hacks for apps like Windows, Microsoft Office, CapCut, or Spotify. They create TikTok accounts with names like @Gitalode, @Asisglow, wow, and @AlexFixPC, which, by the way, are now deactivated. These accounts post videos that seem legit, complete with voiceover guidance and screen captures. One video promoting a Spotify boost even reached nearly 500,000 views and had over 20,000 likes. Impressive numbers, right? But don't be fooled. The videos instruct users to press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog, type PowerShell to open a command line interface, and then copy and paste a malicious script shown in the video. Once executed, these scripts download and run malware, often from GitHub or other file hosting platforms. Let's talk about the payloads. VDAR steals credentials, browser history, cryptocurrency wallets, and system info. StealC, on the other hand, includes advanced evasion and exfiltration capabilities, making it even more dangerous. So why is this so concerning? First, TikTok is a trusted platform among younger demographics. The attackers are exploiting this trust to make their scams more effective. Second, users don't need any technical skills to fall for these scams. They unknowingly execute the malicious commands themselves. Plus, the use of AI-generated content increases the scale, speed, and realism of these campaigns. And since the user initiates the action, traditional security tools might not detect it as malicious behavior. What's the takeaway here? We're seeing a shift in cybercriminal tactics from static phishing pages to dynamic, social media-driven attacks. It's a stark reminder of how attackers exploit human curiosity and trust in visual media. This emphasizes the critical need for user awareness training. Make sure everyone knows the risks of running unknown scripts or commands from unofficial sources. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and keep your cybersecurity game strong. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Catch you in the next one.